What's up guys? Ayan guys, nandito na naman po tayo, So ngayon na araw is magsisimba tayo ngayon. Ayan guys, magsisimba tayo, check outfit natin, ayan. Wala naman yung sana eh. So ayan guys, So tara, pumunta naman na tayo kasi. Everybody, gusto ko lang po batiin na happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga ina at sa mga inang hindi nilang maunawaan. Ano ba yun? Basta yun guys, pasalamat na kami guys. Yan. So ayan nga, ay tayo magsisimba. Time check 9:17 na guys. So ayan nga. So ayan, sasarawan na natin muna, Ayun, di po. Guys, punta natin muna yung isa natin kasama, guys. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako, guys. Grabe guys, hangin nito. Talaga namang walang tigil. Pero ayun dyan, sarang natin dyan. Ang bango ko. So ayan na, ano pumunta na yun. Check out guys. Simplihan lang natin kasi simba di tayo ngayon. Simba time para sa Panginoon, pagsasamba, yan guys. Kaya naman natin. Tagal naman na ito ba? Napakatagal na ito. Bilisan mo at magsisimba na tayo oras na para panalangin. Bilisan mo. Tagal. Tignan mo, naglakad pa rin. Napakabagal. So yun na nga. Namo. Lubay mo yun. Ano ba yung kanta yan? Anong lubay?
Kaya kunin ko na.
Oh! Parang tanga lang. So yun na nga. So simba di tayo guys. Napakatagal kasi.
And I thank you for being you.
Hi guys. Somebody this time.
My sweetest addiction, my strongest
Hello!
inspiration.
Bahala ka. So ayan guys. Tara guys, simbat tayo ngayon. Ah, grabe yung mga outfit ng ano.
And I thank
Shout out. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako.
sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Diyan guys.
It's true.
So what's up guys? Ayan. Dito na naman tayo. Nagbibihis. Abay naman na ba? So ayan guys. So ayan guys. Ito guys.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not
Guys, ano?
climb as long
May
as you
lalakad ako.
and I thank you
Pwede naman din ano.
for being
Yung guys, ano?
I'll be your best friend.
Same body ngayon guys, kaya tara, samahan nyo kami.
Your guide.
Magsisimba tayo ngayong araw. Dahil ngayon ay linggo at Mother's Day ng mga So ayan nga guys, ano?
Bye. by your side.
So, ayan guys.
More and more and more each day.
Ayan.
I love you more and more and more. More than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration.
Ayan guys, so.
And I love you.
Ayun.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine.
Grabe.
And I thank you
What's up guys?
for being
Nandito na naman po tayo ngayon. So,
waiting
let's go guys.
all my life.
Doon po yung tinatawag na
Come
H.
true.
Paghapon maraming tao dyan guys. Kung gusto mo
You're the
pumunta
light
dito,
in the
lumambay.
dark and sad
Go.
world of mine.
At may mga, wag kayong mag-alala, may bilihan.
Lost if not for you. And I love you more
Guys,
and
nandito na tayo.
more each day.
Yan, may Katolik yan
I
guys.
love you more and more and more than I can say.
Parking muna. Mabuti.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
So, yan guys, hindi na tayo.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank
Dito na lang guys, ano.
for being you. I will never let you go. I will never let you go. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine.